Hey guys, hope you guys are doing great and safe. I'm back with more strange things caught on the camera. So without being further ado, let's get started. Video is coming from a hospital in Mexico, and the exact location of the hospital is El Refugio, Jalisco. Video is around 20 minutes long. This guy is exploring the hospital, and around 10 minutes in the video we don't able to see any sort of strange or paranormal activity. But after that, things went little wrong. Let's see what happens.
Hola.
For instance, we can see this door started moving by itself.
Yo cerré la puerta. Hola.
He carried out his investigation, and when he further entered into the hospital, he see some more strange activities. When he reached to a hallway, he heard some kind of sound coming from his front, and then suddenly another sound that came from his right. And when he panned his camera, we can see a head went down behind the stretcher. I've slowed down the video so that you guys can have a good look. And after that, stretcher moved by itself.
La camilla. No mames, güey. Se está moviendo, cabrón.
And when the guy reached at the end of the hallway to see if there's someone who is moving the stretcher, there was no one.
Hola. Se mueve la camilla. Hola.
Guys, you can now become member of my YouTube channel and enjoy the perks. It's less than $1. Just click on the join button and check it out. A big shout out to the YouTube channel Elo for joining the membership.
Hola.
While doing the investigation, he reached to a very strange room where we can see a plastic doll, and then there was also a coffin in the same room. Till now, these are just non-living things. There is nothing wrong with them. But he heard some kind of sound coming from the outside room, and he panned his camera to that particular room on his left side. And when he panned the camera back on the doll,
¿Qué fue eso? Hola, ¿hay alguien ahí? ¿Hay alguien ahí con...?
earlier the doll head was in another direction,
Hola.
and now the doll is looking at him.
Uy, güey. Ay, güey. Sentí como que alguien me tocó, cabrón. Hola. ¿Está aquí alguien conmigo? Esta madre es...
He heard a bang, and when he panned the camera, it happened.
Pero este muñeco me da mucho miedo. Me voy de aquí mejor, cabrón, porque la neta... Ay, güey. Escucho como... ¡Ay, güey! ¡Oh, la mierda! ¡Oh, la mierda! ¡Oh, la mierda, güey!
This is the position of the doll's head when he entered into the room, and when he left, this is where the head was. The guy didn't stop the investigation here, he continued. And while he was moving out, he heard some kind of strange sound coming from a room. And while he was looking at the room, door slammed at his face. I'm not sure whether this video is real or fake, But if it is fake, then the guy has done a pretty damn good job. A strange humanoid is captured on the camera. Upon close looking, it looks like a human, but it has wings. This is not a video, these are just photos that are played in a sequence. Let's see. Video is coming from TikTok and the location of the video is unclear, but this was taken by the security camera, where a strange person captured on the camera roaming in someone's yard. Is it a person who is wearing some kind of costume, or is it some kind of creature, alien? I have no idea. Let's check the video out. Location of the video is Oregon, and the video is coming from a YouTube channel called The Orcanian. In this video, we can see the Oregon dispensary, and as per the owners, the dispensary is haunted and they have proofs of it. Let's see. Now, in the first video, keep your eyes on the pen, they just move by itself. In the second video, we can see the jar lying on the top of the counter in the red circle moved by itself. And now let's look at the same video by different angle. Let me also know your thoughts. Do you think these videos are created by someone to gain the popularity? I have no idea. Video is coming from India, where we can see the video is showed at a petrol pump and it was on the side of the road. A guy spotted a strange shadow moving parallel to the road. Now the video is very shaky. Let's watch the video in slow motion to have a good look at this shadow or creature. I have no idea what exactly is this. Let's check the video out and let me know your thoughts. And the most stranger thing about this is that the shadow was there for some time and it vanished. This guy miraculously saved the motorist guy washing down the river. Strange things are very often at a running road. Now in this video, the video is coming from a dash cam of a car. We can see someone appeared from nowhere on the road. This is how it happened. Let's check the video out and let me know your thoughts about it. Although the quality of the video is not very clear, but this elf or a small dwarf person with a pointed hat can be seen. What exactly is this? Let's check the video out and let's see the video in slow motion as well. Guys, I've made a video of this hole to hell, way to hell, whatever we want to name this hole. This is situated in Yemen, and today we're gonna hear some theories about it.
Captivated the attention of scientists and adventure seekers for a long time. The giant hole is 30 meters wide and between 100 and 250 meters deep. Locals avoid going near it, claiming it is filled with supernatural powers. Scientists still don't know how the mysterious well of Barhout. According to Salah Baver, Director General of Yemen's Geological Survey and Mineral Resources Authority, experts have entered the giant hole, but weren't able to reach the bottom as there's little oxygen and no ventilation there. Some say that it was the jinn who dug this deep hole for one of the kings of the Himyarite who ruled the region in the old time to hide his treasures. Others believe that it was dug up to be a jail for the jinn who came out of control. Bizarre things have indeed been reported at the site. People who tried to film a close-up of the Well of Hell claimed it was almost impossible. Some said that objects placed near the chasm are sucked into it. Local legends say the well was created as a prison for demons, an idea which probably gained credibility because of the stench that emanates from it. More superstitious locals not only avoid going near it, but also refrain from talking about it for fear of ill fortune. Scientists, however, reject the notion that demons and ill fortune have anything to do with the well and its origins. Chris Fogwill, professor of glaciology and paleoclimatology at Keele University in the UK, has suggested that the chasm could be a collapsed pingo or a sinkhole, caused by the erosion of the limestone. Other researchers have suggested that the giant hole could be a supervolcano, which will erupt at some point. A video crew from AFP recently flew a drone over the hole and captured stunning aerial footage of the mysterious pit. However, even with the drone flying directly over the hole and with the camera lens pointed straight down, it was impossible to see into its depths due to the extreme darkness. People who have been near the well often talk of a foul, toxic odor. Amar Hashem Mohammed Osman, who performed military service at a camp near the well, wrote, "The smell was unbearable. Bad smell like rotten eggs. I was nauseated by the severity of the smell. From personal experience I tell you now, I have performed compulsory military service in a camp near the area. In the desert of the empty quarter, there was an ordinary well dug to provide the military site with water. But when the pump started working for the first time to withdraw the water, a black liquid came out of the well like tar. The smell was unbearable. Bad smell like rotten eggs. I was nauseated by the severity of the smell. No one could use the water for at least 12 hours, as the odor subsided and black matter was deposited on the pond walls where water was collected. Nevertheless, I swear that I was unable to sleep from the smell of my clothes and my body odor after washing with that water. They told us that the water contains sulfur and other impurities that give it color and smell. It is certain that this well is connected to the same source that feeds the water of Barhout well and contains the same characteristics. The inhabitants of the region have many strange tales about the well, one of which tells us that in the past people have been through a period of severe drought, so they tied a man with ropes and slowly lower him into the well to bring water. When he reached the middle of the well, he screamed in terror to lift him. When they raised him, they found only half of his body. They are also talking about a sheep shepherd who put her baby near the well, and the child disappeared in the blink of an eye. There is a hadith of the Prophet Muhammad that says, "The best water on the face of the earth, Zamzam water, and the worst water on the face of the earth, water in a valley in Hadramaut named Barhout. Its water is black and stinky. It is said that this deep well produces foul odors and toxic fumes at times. Its bottom can't be seen because of the extreme darkness. But when the sun is completely perpendicular to the crater, the viewer is surprised by the presence of green vegetation which adapted to life in that toxic atmosphere and that dirty water. Not much can be seen from the edge of the well as sunlight doesn't extend very far down inside and, according to AFP, videographers say it's hard to capture anything when they shoot down inside. Still, despite the stench emanating from it, different types of birds are often seen flying in and out of the inky darkness. The weather in this part of Yemen is typically very hot and dry during the summer, though there can be thunderstorms over the nearby mountains on a rare occasion. Overall, the region does not receive much rain, with normal highs in the summer in the 90s to low 100s and normal highs in the winter in the 70s and 80s. Stories of demons and other supernatural figures known as jinns or genies that live in the well have circulated among locals over the centuries. Many nearby residents don't even like to talk about the hole.
Guys, if you like my work, please share my videos with your friends and families and support my channel. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Peace.